It's a beautiful day, let's go out and play. The sun's really shining, everybody's smiling. Look at those teeth, shining so bright. Ear to ear, so clean and so white. Let's go inside the treehouse and learn how to keep our teeth clean with a fun learning craft you can do at home.
Come on and play, come on and sing, come on and learn in Popz Treehouse.
Singing with you puts a big smile on my face. Can you make a big smile? Look at all those teeth. When we smile, we show all of our clean and healthy teeth. Our teeth stay healthy and clean when we brush them. Do you brush your teeth? Maybe someone helps you brush your teeth. Let's pretend to brush our teeth all together using our imagination. Let's pretend our finger is a toothbrush. Don't forget the toothpaste. All clean. It's really important to brush your teeth, especially after eating candy. Take a look at these teeth. So many germs. Some of the teeth are even turning yellow. I don't think these teeth have ever been brushed yet, or have ever been to a dentist. Let's clean them up with some arts and crafts. Look at all these food-stained teeth. We can paint away all the germs using white paint. Instead of using a paintbrush, let's use a toothbrush. Once you use your toothbrush in the paint, make sure not to use it again. Look at these stains. Maybe it's leftover candy from Halloween. I like to call them sugar bugs on your teeth. Later, sugar bug gator. This is so satisfying. For this craft, you can make your own smiling mouth with teeth at home, with cut-out pieces of colored paper. Lots and lots of white paint. Let's make sure to brush away every single stain on these teeth, even the yellow ones. Next, the yellow stain. It's always important to brush your teeth, especially after eating sugary foods. This is just a craft, using paints to make your teeth white again. If you were brushing your own teeth, you would use toothpaste to get rid of those stains and sugar bugs. It's so satisfying to get rid of these stains on the teeth. Back and forth, covering up the stains. Let's use a bit more white paint to make sure we got all the stains. And when you brush your teeth at home, make sure to get all those stains and sugar bugs off those teeth. We did a really great job. We got every single stain on the teeth. We did it, friends! The teeth are all nice and clean, just as if they went to the dentist, or if they were brushed at home. No more stains, no more germs, just clean and healthy teeth. We did a great job! High five! Let's see all your beautiful teeth one more time with a big smile. So nice! Always keep those teeth clean and healthy. And always remember to dream, imagine, and believe. If you want to see more videos just like this one, just search for Popz Treehouse. Popz. Later, Gators!